Today, we are in Mechanicsville, Virginia, about 25 minutes out from downtown Richmond, and we will be taking a tour of the Madison floor plan built by RCI Builders. They are a fairly new builder to the region, and they're building in the surrounding counties of Richmond. One of the best features, in my opinion, of this home is this porch. Do y'all see how much space there is on this front porch? You can host a whole party out here. Anyway, back to the home specs. This home, at its base, has 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and just under 4,100 square feet. Now, RCI is a semi-custom builder. They do have a variety of different floor plans, actually building 11 different floor plans in this community. However, you can customize their floor plans to your liking. Now, as I've mentioned before, the more customizations, the more customizations cost. But the floor plan is yours to customize. This is one of their newest communities, and it's called Santee Farms. They have some amazing lots out here. All of them are huge. The smallest is an acre. Now, the base price of this home is $1 million, and it's actually on sale, as you see it, for $1.3 million. As mentioned, they are building a total of 11 floor plans in this community, with base prices starting in the low 900s. They have 2 nearby communities with large lots. One of them actually has 10-acre plus lots, and the base price for the same floor plans are actually less than what they're selling for out here. As a semi-custom builder, their build timeline is anywhere from 8 to 10 months. You can also add finished basements or finished attic space for additional square footage. If you have any questions about this floor plan, RCI as a builder in general, building a home in general, the Mechanicsville area, please don't hesitate to reach out. My information is down below, and I would love to talk with you about the services you need for real estate in the Richmond, Virginia area.